In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add multiple accounts on your Twitter. So to add multiple accounts on Twitter, this is a simple thing to do. So the first thing you will need to do is head over to your Twitter app. Once you open up Twitter, you will be on your feed, and from your feed, what you will need to do is click on your profile picture in the top left hand corner of your screen. Once you click on your profile picture, as you can see, there is a little down arrow right next to your username. So what you need to do is just click on the little down arrow, and then that will give you this drop down menu. As you can see, I have already got a couple of accounts attached to my Twitter, but for you guys watching, if you have only got one Twitter account connected, what you can do is simply click on add an existing account. Once you click on add an existing account, it will then ask you to enter in your email address or username to go ahead and log into your account. Once you enter in your email address or your username, you can then click on the next button in the bottom right hand corner. And then you will need to enter in your account password. Once you enter in your account password, you can then click on the login button in the bottom right hand corner. Once you click on login, that will be your new account added to your Twitter, and then you'll be able to switch between accounts whenever you like. So if this video did help you out, please leave a comment down below, drop a like on the video, and I'll see you in the next one.